The number of airline passengers is rising every year and has almost doubled in the last 10 years. With the increased number of flights, flight safety is becoming more critical. One of the most important dimensions of flight safety is the removal of foreign object debris from the runway. Foreign object debris, or FOD, includes various objects like loose airplane parts, maintenance tools, pieces of luggage, garbage, rocks, and wildlife. FOD can cause damage to airplane, tires, engines, and bodies. FOD costs $14 billion every year on the repair and maintenance of the aircraft. It also causes delays and cancellations, which causes further financial losses. Most importantly, it can cause fatal accidents, which can cause casualties. Today most airports rely on human power to detect FOD. However, they are time-consuming and have low efficiency. We have developed a robust solution to this problem using state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and computer vision. Cameras are mounted at the side of the runway which detect and report the presence of FOD to airport staff in real time. Our system performs these operations in the following steps. First, we take real-time images from the camera. We select 4 points on the runway and perform perspective transformation using Python and OpenCV to get the bird's eye view of the runway. Then we stream the bird's eye view to a web browser, using Flask. Then we run YOLO object detection on this bird's eye view to detect any FOD on the runway. If any FOD is detected, we also estimate its position with respect to runway dimensions by counting the number of pixels on each axis from the center of the object and scaling it to the actual distance. Similarly, we also calculate the size of the object detected. Then we use PyTorch to know what type of material is the object made of. All this information is reported to the control tower for further analysis. Finally, we save these records in a database to keep history. Developed by a team of engineers from the Department of Electrical Engineering, University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore.